You should be doing whatever you can to consistently generate prospects on a daily fashion. And this should be something that you should measure at an organization level. So you know how Grant talks about how, or I talk about, hitting the list, communicating to your list, talking to them consistently. The money is not in the list. That saying in marketing is not really entirely true. The money is in what you do with your list. Grant mentioned that he loses 30% of his email subscribers every single year. Unsubscribing should be the metric that you should actually strive for. If you're not getting enough people unsubscribing from your content, you're not messaging them enough. If you're not getting enough people unsubscribing from your email list or from your text messaging list, you're not communicating to these people enough, because a 20-30% unsubscribe rate is something that you can consider pretty healthy. You're communicating to people enough to give them enough value so you can get attention, which will lead towards being able to sell things to these people along the way. Another point over here is you can't keep pitching to the same audience. You can't keep pitching to the same audience, which means if you guys are not doing everything that you can to keep on building your list, getting more people on your SMS list, getting more people on your email list, getting more followers on your content, you're going to eventually start dying down. So strategies, not one, but 40 strategies to be able to grow your list need to be executed consistently. If you're an e-commerce brand, you should be doing flash sales, coupon bonanzas. You should be doing giveaways and contests. You should be doing delivering mini courses on how to do whatever it is that your brand and product solves for them. You should be doing whatever you can to consistently generate prospects on a daily fashion. And this should be something that you should measure at an organization level. How many prospects are coming into your world every single day? And this needs to be celebrated. How many new emails did you get? And how many new phone numbers did you get? You cannot keep pitching your stuff to the same audience. You need to grow attention. This is one of those things that is so commonsensical, but at the same time, most people don't even do them, which is you got to execute on. You got to keep on looking for ways to grow your list. You got to keep on looking for ways to position people in front of value that they can come to you for, so you can actually get phone numbers and emails in exchange for that value. You got to keep on doing that consistently. There's a lot more people looking at your stuff than you think. So when you're posting on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, on TikTok, or wherever, just realize that a lot of people are actually seeing your content or interacting with it, but somehow they're ghost. And that's very normal. If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. Go ahead and subscribe right now.